In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money on YouTube without making videos by yourself. And I'm going to show you actual practical ways that you can use to do so. Also, this is one of my monetized YouTube channel that I don't use a lot, and I'll also talk about how you can get this channel in this video. So watch this video till the end. And if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel. And if you think this video added some value to your life, then please do like this video. Now without doing any delay, let's get started. So I have uploaded lots of video in this exact channel, and this channel was monetized like in July 15 2022, and it is just like 2 months, I think, and July, August, September, okay, 2-3 months, and it have reached from 5 cents per day earning to 80 cents per day earning till now. Now this channel consists of videos that are like tutorial types. Okay, it doesn't have my face. Okay, it is a faceless YouTube channel, and there are all the tutorials that are related to online trading. Now there are basically two type of channel you can make, which can make you good amount of money even without showing your face, and those are online trading like forex, binary options, and that kind of channel. Or another channel would be like educational channel related to some specific topics. So now let's say you are thinking to start your own YouTube channel and you don't want to create any video by yourself. Then what you can do is you can use this software that is called OBS Studio, which is absolutely free. Okay, and you can record your screen by using this software, and you can just make this kind of tutorials. Okay, not only about online trading, you can make tutorials related to anything that you want. And in case if you don't want to make tutorials yourself, then what you can do is you can simply find the topic ideas, okay, on what you need to what you want to make. So for example, let's say you saw one of my this video about support and resistance. Now you don't know what the hell this is, okay, but you want to create a YouTube channel like this and make money for yourself. Then what you can do is you can simply copy the link of this channel, okay, and then go to a freelance site that is called Fiverr, okay, and you can just type sign up to Fiverr and type tutorial videos. Okay, in this way you can find people who can recreate that kind of tutorial for you, okay, and you can post that in YouTube. Or you can also click on here and click on post a request and ask for other people who can create tutorial videos for you. Okay, that can be one simple way. So another way would be, what you can do is you can simply go to Facebook and type YouTube automation, and you'll see there are lots of groups that are focused on YouTube automation. And if I show you inside this group, then people are actually seeking for other people to help them to create YouTube. Hello, I need someone to help me with top 14 cash cow videos. So that means this person wants someone want to hire someone who wants to hire someone who can create top 14 videos, like top 10 video, top 5 videos, that kind of videos this person want to hire. There's other people who are posting these kind of jobs, and here people are replying to those kind of, okay, post. As you can see here, we are looking for a long-term YouTube automation team which includes scriptwriter, voiceover, content editors. So this person is also wanting to hire people, okay, and also you can also apply for this kind of requirements that people make. Okay, it will also develop your skill and confidence in case if you want to create videos in later future. Similarly, you can simply come here and post your requirement, like I need this kind of video tutorial. If anyone can, then please inbox me. Okay, you can make that kind of post and hire people, okay, other people to do this job for you. Similarly, what you can do is another thing, you can just go to YouTube and search for the specific type of tutorial that you want to recreate, okay, and same type of channel. So for example, if you want to create tutorials related to forex trading, then you can search for another small channel that are already making tutorials related to forex trading, and then you can simply visit to that channel's about page. Okay, for example, this is the about page of a channel. Whenever you visit to their any channel, then you'll see this kind of about section, and you can just click on this view email address, and then if you click on this submit, and you'll find their email address at here. Okay, so let me click on it, and then click on submit, and there you will see the email address. Okay, and you can email this person by asking if he or she can make tutorial videos for you for in exchange of some money. Now if they are some small channel, then they obviously are not making good amount of money, and they will quickly agree, and they already have those skills to create this kind of tutorial video, thumbnail, title, description, and so on, and they can easily do it for you for a little good amount of money. Okay, so now we'll talk about how you can get this channel for extremely good offer. So I have literally left to use this channel. I just randomly post video whenever I like. Okay, but it is already monetized, and it has a good potential to bring passive income for me if I work on this channel for long run. But my focus is only on this channel that you are watching right now, because instead of teaching people about trading, I want to teach about how exactly money is made. That's why I literally want to sell this channel. So if you're watching this video and if you see an email address below where I'm saying to contact me to, in order to purchase this channel, then you can send me an email with your rate, the rate that you can afford. Okay, and if it seems interesting for me, then I'll literally sell you this channel. Not only that much, I'll also support you for lifelong in running this channel. Okay, I'll be guiding you how you can create this kind of video yourself if you want to create, or how you can hire other people to create this kind of video in by paying them monthly salary. So just think about it. You have this channel and you have some people whom you can hire by giving monthly a fixed amount. Okay, and they are going to post 10-15 video regularly on a monthly basis for lifelong for you. Wouldn't that be a cool thing to make passive income for lifelong? If yes, then do check the description if there is an email address where you can send me an email to purchase this channel. And the other thing that I have already told you, you can hire people on Facebook, Fiverr, or even by visiting to small YouTube channels. And by doing all of this, you can easily make money online by using YouTube and without creating any video by yourself. So guys, altogether this much I wanted to show you in this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then please do like this video, and if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel. Take care, have a great life ahead. Bye bye.